What is this in my mind?
I name this river after you.
What is this in my mind?
For you I fought with the moon and courted the tides. I made sure that the earth was brown. I led you semi-conscious upon a bed of marble. In heavenly love abiding. Around you, cold-blooded colors shine in the sunlight. They glow in the moonlight. But my roommates be my death of a child. With clean earth symbol sun-like hands.